Here I'm going to show you about how to use section breaks in a video so that you can make your Word document alternate between portrait and landscape views. Here I'm setting up a document called Using the Library, and what I want to do partway through this document is I want to put in a table, which is this table here. However, you can see on this sheet it's in landscape mode, and if I bring that into the portrait view, it starts condensing it, and I don't like that view. I could play around with the margins if I want, but I'm not particularly happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a section break, and all I do here, it works just like a page break, but I go to Insert, take Page Break and go down now, and I want Section Break Next Page. Once I do that, I've got basically a page break, but it's slightly different. It means now what I can do is change the orientation of the second page. So I'm now going to go to the page setup, and I'm going to orient this page into landscape. And now we can see that the first page is portrait and the second page is landscape. Now I can paste that in there, and it's really nice and keeps its original shape. This works really well for tables or pictures that have a landscape orientation. Now if I go and enter another section break, and again the next page, I can now for the next section go to the page setup, choose the orientation to be portrait, and now we can see the first page is portrait, the second page is landscape, and the third page is portrait. But because each of these is a section break, and we can see where the section breaks are added by just clicking on the Show All Non-Printing Characters button, we can see where the section breaks have been added. What we can do here is, because each page of the document now is its own section, we can change the margins. So if I want on this first page the margins to be 1 from each side, left and right, we will now see if I then go to the next page, that is not the case. On this next portrait page we can see it's 125 on this one, and up the top here it's 1. So you can actually change the dimensions of each section.